Okay, hello guys. Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hosanna Chikwado is my name. And in this series, in this class, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how anyone can actually analyze the market using their smartphone. And I started analyzing with my smartphone because I want to spend less time on the chat. I never thought analyzing on the smartphone was something that could be done so easily, but I started doing it and I've just been blown away at how easy this could really be. So I just thought I should, show you guys how it's done. It's going to be a very quick video, but at the end of the video, if you like the video, maybe I might do a class and then teach you how to actually trade Forex from the beginning as a complete beginner and go to professional level. Not really professional level, but you'll be able to make very good trading decisions and analyze the market very well, all starting from your smartphone. So let's just dive into the video. Okay, enough of the talk. So right now I'm looking at Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, as you can see, and I'm on the weekly time frame. That's all the 1W there. You can see I'm on the weekly time frame. So the first thing I do is, let's draw in the lows. Let's draw in the lows here. Draw in the obvious levels. That's what you want to do. Draw in the obvious levels up here, and then you draw in the obvious highs. Draw in the obvious highs up here. Sorry, I drew the one down there, not up. Oh man. So drawing these ones here, and now I'm drawing in these up guys, this resistance guys. Okay, now you're starting to see, you can see it's starting to make a bit of sense. And if I take my rectangle tool, I observe that the market is respecting this zone here. The market is respecting this zone. So I want to draw that in. So, okay, now this is an area where the market is respecting. And if the market is respecting an area, it means we should pay attention to that area. So now we'll drop down the time frame to the daily time frame where each candle represents 1 day of price action. And on the daily time frame, I can see that the market has been in a very clear uptrend all the way from here, starting from the 17th of March. We've been in an uptrend on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. And then you can see the trend line being respected. That's the trend line being absolutely respected on this. So at this moment, looking at this, I know I'm still going to be, I'll start looking for selling opportunities because we've come into this area, because we've come into this major zone up here. We've come into this zone up here where you have the market, um, I don't know why this shit doesn't want to draw. Okay, so you can see the market has come into this area and marked with that blue rectangle. So now that the market has come in there, and you can see in the past, the market turned around from that zone. And if the market turns around from a particular place, like it did turn around here, so you want to respect the area where the market is turning around from. So the market turned around from this point, turned around from this point. Now, it turned around in the past, and this time around that we've come in there again, I'm also expecting the market to possibly turn around. There is no 100% guarantee. It may just continue to push up from there. We don't know. So that is how trading is. Nobody has 100% of the answers. So right now, the uptrend is still valid. And the reason the uptrend is still valid is because we are yet to violate something. And that thing we're yet to violate, I'm going to go down to the 4-hour time frame and show you that as long as we are still trading above this trend line that I have here, it means the uptrend is still valid. But then I can see this most recent area here, this most recent resistance now acting as support. You can see this area now acting as support. Now until the market comes down and breaks this area decisively and then retests it and starts rejecting the zone, that is when I'll start looking for selling opportunities to sell the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. So that is how this thing works. So this is just me showing you a very quick way of doing the analysis, and then let me just put this arrow here to respect, just put this arrow down here, and then it means from this point I'll be looking for selling opportunities. And you can see this video is just under 4 minutes, and you can see how quickly we've analyzed the market using a smartphone, and it was really fast. And based on this point, you can actually make very good trading decisions and all those kind of things. So this is just, I don't know. I tried to host a WhatsApp series, a class on a trading class on WhatsApp for absolute beginners, and so nobody signed up, so I had to cancel the class. But in this case, I don't know if you're interested in, me holding a class on trading strictly from your smartphone and analyzing the market strictly from your smartphone. Let me know in the comments down below. Send me a message on WhatsApp, and it's not going to be a free class, so send me a message if you're interested, and then you'll see how we can work that out. So Thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps channel grow. Like and subscribe the video, like the video, give us a thumbs up. And there's a free Telegram channel where we give out signals on trading education. The link will also be in the description. So be sure to join us on Telegram, So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.